Hello guys, I'm very happy to have you here in this my new video. What I'm going to talk about in this new video is how to list product on Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, when you go to your home page on Facebook, at the left hand side you will be seeing this button Marketplace. So you click on it. So after clicking on it, you will see other buttons in inbox, buying, selling. So now I'm selling on Facebook Marketplace. So you click on selling. So as you can see, this is my product. I list one product on Facebook. So this is the product I listed on my Facebook. As you can see, if I click on view listing, so as you can see, these are the images of the products. As you can see here, can you see new? The product is new, not used. And the second name is the brand name, then the size, then description, location, and other things. So now I'll go back to where we are earlier. So now you're starting to list your product. So the first thing you have to click on is selling, then you click on listing. But mind you must have a Facebook page before you are able to do this. So you click on listing. Okay, now I'll create new listing to show you guys what you need to do. For example, if you are selling a product, you click on this. If you want to sell a car, you click on this. If you want to sell a property, you click on this. Now we want to sell an item, so I click on this. Okay guys, can you see? This is where I will upload my product image. This section is my product title. This section is the price I want to sell my product. This section is the category of my product. Can you see? There are different categories available here. As you can see, there are different categories: bag, luggage, many things are here. So the next category is condition. Condition of the product you want to sell. Is it new? As you can see, used, fairly used but still good, used like new, but this new, like the product is totally new. It is new from the store. So the next button here is description. You have the description about your product here. So the next section is product tag. If I go back now, I'll show you my product tag. So this product tag must be related to whatever you added in your product title for that product to rank very well on Facebook Marketplace once anybody search for related product. Like mine is t-shirts, men wears. So if someone tags t-shirts, my product should be around the first page or the second page. Do you understand? So the next place is location, then this is optional. Then you click on next. After clicking on next, then you publish the product. Yes, I'm leaving the page. I use it as an example for my viewers to understand. So now I want to click on edit listing. I just want you to see how everything looks like. Before I click on edit listing, there is also a button here, boost listing. It's more or less like running ads for your list product. As you can see, can you see guys? Can you see this guys? I will zoom in now for you guys to see this. Okay, I have to zoom back a little bit. Okay, yeah. So guys, can you see this? Can you see this? This is my product. Can you see? My name is here. The subcategory of the product is here, and the button I clicked on is buy. The button is buying. Then it will also be showing sponsored because it's an ad that is going to run on it. So I'm zooming back, guys. So I'll click on these three dots here, then I'll click on edit listing. I want you to see what I added in my own product. Can you see, guys? I added 5 images of t-shirts here. My title, men apparel, then the price I want, the category, condition, it is new, color, I added color, okay, black, color blue. So guys, I added my color here, description, then product tag. As you can see here, can you see, guys? Size, the size I have medium, large, extra large, extra large, blue. Then my product tag, my location. Then that's it, guys. I click on hot date because I already published it before. So guys, that's all about product listing on Facebook Marketplace. Kindly stay tuned for my next video whereby I will talk about Facebook Shop. Thank you and stay tuned. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, comment, like, and enjoy my next video.